Agentic AI represents a significant evolution in artificial intelligence that focuses on autonomous decision-making and action-taking capabilities. Let's break down this concept in simple terms. What is agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems capable of autonomous action and decision-making. Unlike traditional AI that follows strict rules or generative AI that creates content, agentic AI can independently pursue goals with minimal human supervision. Think of agentic AI as a factory manager rather than a factory worker. While an AI agent might perform one specific task, like a factory worker on an assembly line, agentic AI orchestrates multiple processes and makes decisions about how to achieve broader goals, like the factory manager overseeing operations. Key characteristics of agentic AI. Agentic AI systems are distinguished by 4 fundamental characteristics. They can make decisions and take actions without constant human oversight. They focus on achieving long-term objectives rather than just completing specific tasks. They learn from experiences and adjust their strategies based on changing conditions. They anticipate needs and take initiative rather than just reacting to commands. Here are the key differences between agentic AI and other forms of AI. Agentic AI versus traditional AI. Traditional AI systems operate based on predefined rules and algorithms, requiring explicit instructions for every task. They're reactive and limited to specific domains. If traditional AI is like a calculator that can only perform the exact calculations you input, agentic AI is like a financial advisor who can analyze your finances, set goals, and make investment decisions on your behalf. Agentic AI versus generative AI. Generative AI, like ChatGPT, creates content such as text, images, and videos based on prompts. It's primarily focused on creation and requires human guidance. If generative AI is like a highly skilled artist who can paint whatever you describe, agentic AI is like a home renovation contractor who not only designs your kitchen but also orders materials, coordinates workers, and completes the project with minimal direction from you. Generative AI focuses on creating while agentic AI focuses on doing. Real-world examples of agentic AI. They act as your personal assistant. In other words, an AI that can book your flight, schedule transportation to a hotel, and make dinner reservations with a single command. AI agents in call centers can analyze customer sentiment, review order history, access company policies, and respond to customer needs simultaneously. When it comes to supply chain management, they act as systems that can forecast demand fluctuations and proactively adjust inventory levels to prevent shortages. In multimedia creation, the agent delegates research, text generation, image selection, and design to other AI systems to create a complete multimedia report. In scientific discovery, they act as an AI agent that can identify new materials or drug compounds, select optimal suppliers, and even order necessary materials. Agentic AI represents the next frontier in AI development, with many experts viewing it as a crucial step toward artificial general intelligence, AGI. As these systems continue to evolve, they promise to transform how we work, solve problems, and interact with technology.